Hello guys, welcome to Psychology of Freedom. Sabi natin, itatype natin yung buong alamat before, di ba? So this time, ang itatype naman natin si Jao ng alamat. So paano natin siya itatype? Kukunin natin yung cognitive functions niya. FITE user ba siya or TIFE? SINE user ba siya or NISE? Yung interaction style niya, direct ba siya or informative, responding or initiating? Movement or control, and then yung temperament, abstract ba siya or concrete, affiliative or pragmatic, systematic or interest-based. And then dun sa next or last stage, check na natin dito among the 16 types kung alin talaga yung personality type niya. So, yan. Start tayo sa video na to.
Alam mo yung future kasi magde-depend yan sa ginagawa mo ngayon eh. Ikaw ba?
Ako yung future ko. Di ko alam, di pa ako nakapag-time travel.
Yun lang.
Literal yung tanong ko.
So, nakita natin, di ba, nag-take siya ng time before answering the question. That's more indicative na control type siya. And sabi niya, hindi pa daw siya hindi niya daw ma-determine yung future niya because hindi pa siya nakapag-travel. So, parang mas sign yon na low introverted intuition. Low sa cognition niya yung introverted intuition. So, he's more SINE or introverted sensing, extroverted intuition.
Ganun yung sagot mo.
And then kung mapapansin nyo, parang I think si Alas yung more movement type, medyo mas chaotic, and then siya yung control.
Anyway,
So, you can compare the two.
Pwede yun. Pwede kasi yun.
Sige. Prediction.
Prediction 2025.
2025. Kung ngayon 19 years old ako, 2022 ngayon, magto-20 na ako this year!
Tama yun.
Tapos, 23, 24, 25.
Diba? Mga control type kasi, they control their own pace. Hindi sila nagpaparush. So, they take their time. So, control.
Magiging 23 na ako noon.
So, saan ka na nun? Ano nakikita mo sa sarili mo?
With how the things are going right now, I can see a bright future. Wow! Bright future? Tignan na.
I think that's more SINE kasi mga introverted sensor, extroverted intuition user, they can kind of predict the future, especially if they have prior experience sa bagay na yon. So, SINE.
Natin. Basta, I keep living life to the fullest.
Tama.
Responsibly, syempre. So don't cancel me. Joke.
Wala lang yun. Ano kasi yun? Sarili opinion. Kaya ganito din ng tao kaya kasi may mali din ako.
I see. Yun. Totoo yun. Kasi, experiences in the past, mistakes or whatever it may be, they shape you and mold you to who you are now. And I'm hoping it's good.
Ikaw, naka-experience ka ba?
I think that's more SINE kasi, di ba, your experiences in the past define your parang future. SINE. And kind of abstract.
Ano yung sa akin yung parang tumatatak sa isip ko when it comes to my past. Kasi bata
Super control, di ba?
pa lang ako. Naghiwalay.
And ang tanong sa kanya ni Alas, naka-experience ka na ba nun? So, he answered through a story that's more indicative na informative siya. Kasi mga informative na tao, they like giving context, more on context, inform. Unlike dun sa mga direct na tao na they just answer you straight to the point.
Walay na yung parents ko, tapos yung mom ko, nag-work siya out of country. So, parang madaming responsibilities ang naiwan sa akin.
Talking about one's own responsibility, that's introverted sensing, your duty, your obligation.
since ako yung panganay. Tapos as I grew older, syempre,
Talking about his past experiences, introverted sensing.
matanda na din yung grandparents ko. Kaya parang kailangan kong mag-step up, ganun, para maging okay ang lahat. Earthquake.
This is what I had to do. More of what I should do than what I want to do. So, introverted sensing. And super control.
Pero
Ayun.
feel mo okay naman ngayon lahat.
Yeah. Meron pa yung mga challenges, hindi mawawala yan. Pero things keep getting better and better. Like that.
Siguro para sa akin, parang pag walang pahirap sa mundo, parang walang
More on outcome focus. So, check pa tayo ng ibang video.
How is your 2022 so far? Kamusta ang pag-celebrate ng first anniversary?
Yun, super happy kami. Like, super rewarding despite all the challenges we've faced on this journey since our debut. Yun, kaka 1 year lang. And we have new releases like Abacada. And super nakaka-proud.
He seems responding.
And did you have a chance to like really celebrate all together or maybe online with your fans? Anong ginawa nyo nung February 14?
Yes, of course. So, nag-live kami to keep in touch with our fans, to celebrate with our fans. We had fun and games, ganon. And another thing to celebrate our anniversary is the release of our newest single, Abacada.
Yes. At yun na nga ang nakikita.
Still responding.
Ikaw, Jao.
Ako naman, I think Mo is someone to look up to. Kasi bukod sa solid friend siya and super talented, he can, like yung sinabi ni Archie,
Extroverted feeling. Kasi wanting to make other people feel good, caring for other people, and kung manonotice nyo, yung mga TI users, introverted thinker users, ang language nila is more of I think, instead of I feel. So, yan.
think about the solutions like that. And yeah, super rational, super practical, and super loving friend.
Love you, Jao.
Ako naman. So, yun.
Still FE. Extroverted feeling.
Jao, you said na it actually has a deep meaning to it. So, ano ba itong deep meaning ng Abacada?
Like what you hear sa mga nursery rhymes, ganon, that can have uplifting lyrics, then it's the same with Abacada. The deep meaning there is the message talaga. It may be, it may seem
Very control.
simple, pero you can always apply it palagi sa life mo. Like, all throughout your life, just remember those messages and they can help you go through.
Yes.
They can help you, extroverted feeling, and then still responding. So, by this point, I think sure na tayo sa interaction style niya, informative responding control. So, check pa tayo ng iba pang video.
Pumasok ako ng Alamat, 17 years old pa lang ako.
Ang tanong sa kanila, ano yung pagbabago for the past 3 years? He answered through a story again, informative, giving context. And then, ang sinasabi niya is more on about his own experiences, introverted sensing.
I was a teenager. Madami pa akong things na kailangan matutunan sa buhay. Di pa talaga ako umaapag sa world ng mga adults. So parang nag-speed up yung process ng pag-grow ko. mentally and emotionally. Tsaka madami akong natutunan sa mga ka-members ko.
Alam mo yun, kasama kasi sila sa movement na to.
I think the Magilos have been supporting us ever since because of many factors, and I think one of them is our mission as Alamat, which is to
I think, di ba, introverted thinking and logic, causation.
share the culture, our culture. And nakaka-warm ng heart seeing how na-reach namin yung mga puso nila. So parang same kami ng goal, ganon. And same kami ng gustong mangyari here in the Philippines.
Wants and desires of the collective, that's extroverted intuition. So, temperament na lang yung kailangan nating figure out.
Para sa amin, identity is very important to us. Not just as humans, but also, syempre, as artists.
Yeah.
Hindi mo kailangan hubarin yung sarili mong identity just to keep up with the trends. And
That's abstract. Hindi mo kailangan hubarin yung sarili mong identity.
like you said, Sir Brett, good art, good music, and everyone's gonna like it someday.
Her.
Ayan, sana ma-reach namin yung hearts nyo.
Yes.
Yun lang talaga yun.
Yeah. Should our ticket prices be lower, higher? What do you think?
Ooh.
My
Feel ko,
my answer naman ako, pero I won't share till you guys share.
Feel ko, this, deserve naman.
Deserve.
Pero,
Yes.
Talking about what other people deserve, that's extroverted feeling.
I like that.
Also considering the economy of the Philippines and the state of
This is what I think, introverted thinking.
most of the people here, parang it's hard
Considering the state of people here, that's extroverted feeling.
then for them thinking about it. So, maybe okay din mag-lower ng konti. Pero I think with the prices,
A bit pragmatic because it's not about what's right, but it's about what works.
it's na same sa international artists deserve
Yeah,
on our
deserve.
end, I think.
Agree.
Ki Jao, sana after 2 to 3 years, mayaman ka na.
I think that's pragmatic. Kasi, di ba, being affiliative, it's about doing what's proper, avoid offending other people. Pero pragmatism is more about doing what works. It's not about what's proper, but doing what works. So, I think convinced na ako sa kung anong personality type ni Jao. So, cognitive function-wise, TIFE, SINE. So, isa siya sa mga crusader types. So, either ISFJ, ESFJ, INTP, or ENTP, isa siya doon. So, interaction style-wise naman, informative, responding, and control. So, let's see here. Informative, responding, control, nandito yan sa pinaka-baba. So, tanggal na yang first, second, and third row. So, sabi natin, NTP, SFJ. So, tanggal na yung ISFP, tanggal na yung INFP. So, it's between ISFJ, ito ISFJ to, baka hindi lang nakikita. ISFJ and ENTP. Pero sabi natin, he is abstract and pragmatic. So, tanggal na yung ISFJ. So, he can only be an INTP. INTP, also known as the engineer. So, sino-sino yung mga ka-personality type ni Jao? Sino ba? Si Tobey Maguire, Tom Holland, sino pa ba? Si Mr. Beast, actually si Carl Jung, yung nag-create ng mga, or nag-invent ng, or nag-innovate sa psychology. Kasi sa kanya galing itong mga personality archetypes. And also, I think yung creator din ng Naruto, and ano nga yun, yung isa pa, yung director ng Squid Game. I think INTP din yun eh. So, kung sa Pilipinas naman, ka-personality type niya, si Justin ng SB19. So, I think malaki din yung potential ni Jao when it comes to directing kasi INTPs are good storytellers as well. And also, ka-personality type niya din si Vic Soto, si Dingdong Dantes. Although si Jao, hindi siya obvious na INTP kasi he's not the stereotypical type. INTP. Pero he's an INTP. It's just that masyado siyang subconscious develop, subconscious focus. So, yeah, joy energy. So, ayan. And also, ang mga NTs kasi it's more, sabi ko nga before, it's more about innovation when it comes to technology or films or systems, etc. That's NT. That's the NT land. Pero pagdating naman sa social change, social innovation, that's more of NF. Katulad ni Mo at saka ni Taneo. So, ayun lang. So far, puro introverted yung mga na-type natin sa alamat. Let's see kung kung merong extroverted sa kanila. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and see you sa next video.